Hi, so this is just a quick video to share a working methodology I have with a friend of mine because he's having a problem that I frequently come across, and I imagine people come across it all of the time, so I thought it might help. Now, I'm currently involved in a little project to make this. What this is an Archimedes drive. It's a teaching demonstration model. In the centre here, we've got the drive ring, which is the output. Inside of here are a bunch of rollers that must contact that drive ring just right. If it's that tiny little bit too loose, it won't turn. If it's tiny little bit too tight, it'll lock up. And so the tolerance is actually quite hard to achieve because in the best will in the world, an FDM printer will print down to 0.2 of a millimetre, and that can be an issue when it comes to making something like that. So, what do you do about it? Because this, the drive ring, takes about 5.5 hours to print. So I have to print half a dozen of these. We're talking about days just to get it to touch properly. So what I do is I print this with a hole on the inside, which is where I want the contact. If it was on the outside where I wanted the contact, and I print it a millimetre or two too small. If I want it on the inside, it's a hole is printed a millimetre or two too big. Then we spend our 5 hours printing our beautiful part, pop it in there, and we know it's not going to touch. So what we do is create a sleeve. This sleeve diameter has exactly the right diameter to fit in there. Then what I can do is alter the size of this internal cutout to make that sleeve thinner or thicker by 0.1 of a millimetre. Slide it in there, test its fit, spot a super glue, and you're going to get that with just the right contact, not too tight, not too loose, as Goldilocks said. Just the right contact without having to print the thing hours and hours and hours. And that's 5.5 hours, that's 20 minutes. So I can go through 8 or 10 iterations of that just while I'm printing that one. And that means that I can get those spot-on tolerances that I'm looking for without wasting hours and hours of printing time and meters of filament. Anyway, I thought I would share that with you. I hope it's useful to you. I hope it's useful to my friend. Thank you very much for watching. Now please do remember to like and subscribe.